Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete a site permanently in Hostgator, the complete 2025 guide. Maybe you finished a project, you're starting fresh, or you simply don't need that site anymore. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact process safely and easily. So stay tuned till the end to make sure you don't miss any important steps. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to hostgator.com. You can simply type Hostgator into Google or any search engine. It should be the first result you see. Once you're on the Hostgator homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your account email or username and your password to log in. Make sure you have those details ready before you begin. And after logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This is your control center. From here, you can manage all your hosting plans, domains, and websites. Now, look for the section labeled Websites or sometimes My Sites. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the websites currently hosted on your account. Find the website you want to delete. Once you've located it, look for the settings option. It might appear as a gear icon or a menu button next to the site name. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you find an option that says Delete Site Permanently. This is the most critical step, so double check that you've selected the right site. Before confirming, I highly recommend creating a backup if there's any data, files, or content you might want to keep. Once a site is deleted, it's gone for good and cannot be recovered. When you're absolutely sure, go ahead and click Delete Site Permanently. Hostgator will ask for confirmation. Just approve it, and within moments, your site will be completely removed from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a site permanently from Hostgator. Quick tip. If you're planning to start a new website or project, deleting unused ones can actually help keep your hosting organized and your account running smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future guides. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your next web project.